I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the problematic column or the whole table so changes apply consistently. Make a quick backup, copy to a new tab or save a duplicate file so you can revert if needed. Once done, enable Filter to inspect representative cells and spot patterns, extra spaces, mixed data types, stray characters. You will act on a sample pattern first. This prevents wasted effort. Make sure to note whether values or numbers stored as text, dates in multiple formats, or delimited strings before proceeding. Now apply targeted transformations based on the pattern you found. Start with text to columns or flash fill to split or recompose strings quickly. Use trim to remove extra spaces, substitute to strip unwanted characters, value or date value to convert numeric and date text into native types. Once the column looks correct in formulas, paste values to lock changes, then apply format cells to set number or date formats. If mixed types remain, filter by type and reapply the appropriate conversion until the column is uniform. Finish by validating the cleaned column. Use count and counta for totals, isNumber or isDex to confirm types, and simple totals or pivot checks for expected results. If anomalies persist, apply targeted find and replace or rerun flash fill on a subset. Make sure to paste values before further edits. Troubleshooting tip. If unexpected results appear, revert to your backup, inspect a few raw cells to find stray delimiters or hidden characters, then repeat the focused conversion rather than redoing everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.